Yo, hello guys. Gonna start with the tune. I just like this tune. Um, okay. Yeah, so I just prepped the new list of what I'm going to play. Also, I need to set up somehow this camera because I don't mind to talk to the camera, so like I'm talking to you, but I never done it before, so I'm just more likely looking somewhere else. Anyway, so I tailored sort of the games I'm going to play. So it's going to be BOINKERS, TOYGERS, TSUBASA Rivals, HAMSTER King, HAMSTER King, CT Holder, Bumps, WIZZWOODS, GH-Arena, which is this one, but this is just like we're gonna use this later on because I don't really have any money to use it, but seems like cool project as well. And then we have the V coin or W coin and GETMINER. So in GETMINER you need to put some money. Like I don't have any money right now to invest, but I will because there's not really like significant amount. So I just introduced you to that because I feel like it's like cool project, and Vcoin it's amazing project as well. You don't need to put any money or like super small amounts to activate, I think, which I've done it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 games / projects, because the GETMINER is actually like a miner / game. So you're mining, but it's like tailored for everybody to understand what's going on. Like this is actually a nice game. Like you have like green Pokemon and green Pikachu on that. And Vcoin, it's like sort of miner tool as well, but it's like designed like super nice, intuitive way to play it. So I'm super excited, super happy about this stuff. And then the rest, I will be adding some projects below. That's gonna be within every description on my channel, video / whatever social media. As I'm trying to test those tools, and in some future, if I will be using them, I will just tell more about it. But in general, that list below, it's also something which I'm actively either try to use or I will activate when I have the money. But why I'm telling about this list, because I will be running a raffle, hopefully next month, for everybody who are going to support me. So you need to basically enroll for every of those projects, and then you will be entitled to be in the draw for the star draw. I don't know when it's going to happen. I don't know how much I'm supposed to do it, but I do some research. Like, well, I don't have much money, but like I reckon like £10 per month for some stars. I can do it. I can manage, and then obviously gradually I will try to hit. Fuck knows, if I be able to afford, I can do like massive giveaways, but that's gonna be at some point. I just simply have an idea, like people supporting me, so we can create here the society to support each other with the stars. So obviously you're using my refs, and then I might get something from it, and then I just wanna give that to you in the return. I don't really wanna keep this to me. Well, I'm probably gonna use the stars within the game, right, for the game, so that's obvious, but then the rest of the stars I just want to allocate to do the giveaways. Okie dokie, so 4 minutes introduction. I will do that sort of introduction on the beginning of every video, I suppose so. And then like super fast project, this one, the super fast video is going to be. So the name of the game is why the screen is black. The name of the game is GH-Arena. So there's gonna be like an org. That's going to be below the description as well. By the way, if you can download this game, Matchmasters, like I just need 3 more people and just play it. It's like 4 kids, some fucking crystals and shit, but that's gonna massively improve my payment for the bills this month. So if you can do this, that'd be great. So we have GH Arena. The GH Arena, basically, we're just going to that bot, just play the game. And I didn't play it yesterday just simply because I just have 1 ticket. So we have 1 free ticket, and it's Enter Jackpot Dungeon. we can enter that, and then we have just one ticket. And obviously the idea is to buy more tickets, but if you don't have money, you can't buy anything. So so I'm just gonna use it and just show you how it works. And I'm actually wonder how it works either, like I just don't know. So use a ticket to enter the dungeon, explore rooms with treasure guards and unexpected challenges. Oh, actually, so we are going to play actually within that dungeon. Reach the final room to unlock the lucky box for a chance to win $1,000. Okay, so just gonna press the enter. You're entering the dungeon. Get ready to start your adventure. Okay, so there is actually a game. Okay, cool. Choose your path. Enter one of the doors. Okay, it doesn't matter. Collect. Okay. It's quiet. There's a small bag of coins on the floor. Okay, cool. Room 1, treasure found. You collected USD. Okay, whatever. The monster lurking. No coins. Climbing empty. Okay. Nothing there. Choose your move. Okay. There's some guards. And we won. Okay. Whatever. Room 3. Guards defeated. You earn. Okay. Another guards. Okay. Draw. You can continue explore the dungeon. Okay. Cool. Like mini game. Mini dungeon game. Seems like we sort of winning something, but the amounts are so small, so it doesn't really matter at all. One ticket. Well, I'd rather to have like $50. But okay, we just have some tickets, and that's like a total reward. So we get a ticket. I still have like 15 minutes right now, so we're just gonna play as much as possible. And obviously, I don't think so that's gonna be like infinite loop here of playing the game. I think it's going to be much more tailored in the way like we're not really getting the next ticket to force us to buy the ticket, which is like obvious thing. But and we just lost. Oh fucking hell! That was quicker than I expected, guys. Like what the fuck? We already forced to buy the ticket, but obviously. I'm not going to buy anything. Well, it's actually 30 stars, so it's not that bad. At some point I will be doing like here the video with, let's say I'm gonna buy 10 tickets and we play. You have the idea. I think the like project is kind of cool. Just simply, well, you need to spend a little bit money on it and you can have some rewards from it, so it's not that bad at all. Okie dokie, so thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. It's going to be fuckloads of videos within the cryptocurrency games, and the main games you will see is going to be City Holder, which is like super excited about this game. And you see that property. Well, I will record that anyway. So it's going to be a City Holder. It's going to be a Bumps, which I'm going to show you my team, so you can join my team, like my homies, and we're just gonna create a city within the Bumps as well. I mean, I'm just gonna buy the city, and then we can build that city together, which is crazy good project as well. BOINKERS obviously is crazy good because just simply you can go to the raffles when the raffles are announced, so you have free way to earn money and quite significant amounts. Captain TSUBASA, no brainer, just simply because it's an airdrop and you can play like literally 2 minutes per 4 hours, like 2 minutes on daily basis, and you will still use everything within the game. TOYGERS, no brainer as well. Why? You ask me why you want to play the TOYGERS? It's like nothing happening within that game. Well, at the first glance, nothing happening, but then you have to realize you can actually help me to play this game. So that's the TOYGERS. And the whole game is about scrolling the wheel, and if you do that like that, it's going to be around like, I don't know, 30 seconds to finish off. Actually, I accidentally scrolled the fucking phone. It's going to be like maybe 30 seconds to scroll that wheel, and then you mining obviously the yacht points. And why I'm telling you that and why I'm so excited about this project, and I'm going to do separate playlist on the channel about this project. Why? Because you can get the collectibles, physical collectibles, which is going to be your toy at home, which is fucking massive. And then you have to understand, when you buy that collectible, you have the NFTs of that what you bought inside your phone as a collection. So that's gonna be massive. People don't understand that. Those who understand that, they already probably buy every fucking toy from that, at least one. Just simply because the price of this 10 years from now is going to be, oh fuck me. So I definitely want to go to work next month, and just for the reason of trying to obviously invest a little bit of the money in every project I'm going to, well, right now I'm covered, but for every project I'm covering on the channel. So one more time, thank you guys for watching. And that's the current list of games. So BOINKERS, TOYGERS, TSUBASA Rival, which those 3 games you literally playing like 1 minute each. So you're not really wasting any time. Hamster King is more time consuming, but you can do everything within 10 minutes. City Holder is like 5 minutes. Bumps is 5 minutes. WIZZWOODS, I didn't show you yet, but this is like 5-minute game. GH Arena, as you see, like if you don't really have a tickets, you're not really going to play much. Bitcoin is another 5 minutes game. GETMINER is like your miner, so you don't really need to go there. But I need to check this more. So obviously I will just give you the link to GH Arena as well, because I'm just done the list yesterday, doing the video right now, but when you're going to watch the video, you will have all the ref links below. So one more time, thank you very much guys for watching. If you want to support me anyway, just join the referral links, maybe download that Matchmasters, and I'm in the way to sort of building my brand, but I'm unemployed and just struggling with everything. So we like super appreciate if you want to support me. I'm not talking to send me any money. I just simply try to play some games, and I will get some stars maybe from it, and then I can basically do giveaways for you. Like it's going to be for me massive, because I can do the giveaways for you, so that's gonna keep engagement with us, and then you can get something for free. Just basically by you playing the games, I can give you something for free, which is fucking amazing. In my mind, it's like brilliant idea, and I just want to incorporate that. I just want to build a business around this basically. So one more time, thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. If you wonder how to open the website and you have no idea and how to get all the affiliate programs and shit, you can go and check my website. Well, actually there's nothing on the website about this, but you can just check the wealthy affiliates video on my channel, and you can open the wealthy affiliate program for free and just create your brand just starting right now. So that's it for now. Take care and bye.